tired of the hassle when it comes to lifting your car? We've got the top 5 best electric car jacks that are changing the game. Whether it's quick roadside help or smooth DIY maintenance at home, this list has the perfect jack for you. Let's dive in and find the one that gets the job done right. Item number 5. Meet the VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack, your ultimate roadside assistant. It lifts your vehicle in just 1 minute and comes with an electric impact wrench, inflator pump, and a secure toolkit. With dual power options, a clear LCD screen, and a built-in LED light, it's designed for quick, safe, and hassle-free tire changes. The rugged steel frame, high torque, and smart safety features make it ideal for cars, SUVs, and pickups, all packed in a portable case with a warning triangle for extra security. Item number 4. This 5-ton electric car jack is designed for speed, strength, and simplicity. Powered through a 12-volt vehicle outlet, it lifts your car in under a minute. With a non-slip cross groove, adjustable height, and dual motors, it's perfect even for low-profile sports cars. The compact design comes with a built-in pump, LED flashlight, safety hammer, and gloves, all packed in a durable ABS case. Its stable structure automatically stops when max height is reached. Fast, reliable, and easy to use, this jack is your all-in-one roadside solution. Item number 3. The VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack is a powerful all-in-one roadside solution. It lifts vehicles up to 1,023 pounds in just 2 minutes, with an auto stop at max height for safety. The kit includes a 450 Nm electric impact wrench, tire inflator pump with pressure gauge, and dual charging options via car battery or 12-volt cigarette lighter. With a 13-foot power cord and hidden toolboxes for organized storage, it's built for both convenience and power. Ideal for cars, SUVs, sedans, and trucks, this jack has you covered anywhere. Item number 2. The FOVOW 4-in-1 electric car jack kit is built for serious roadside performance. With a 5-ton lifting capacity at a range up to 530 millimeters, it lifts most vehicles fast and safely. The kit includes an electric jack, impact wrench with a 420 Nm torque, a 150 psi air pump, LED light, gloves, and a sturdy case. Powered by your 12V car outlet, it features touchscreen control, overload protection, and a compact design. Whether it's a car, SUV, or CRV, this all-in-one kit has you covered in any emergency. Item number 1. The VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack kit is your ultimate roadside helper. It lifts vehicles smoothly within 2 minutes using a powerful hydraulic motor, perfect for cars, SUVs, and trucks. The built-in tire inflator with 3 nozzles lets you fix flats fast. A remote control adjusts lifting height easily, while the electric wrench with 350 Nm torque quickly loosens bolts. Dual power supply options and LED lights ensure safe, efficient tire changes day or night. Plus, the anti-slip design keeps your vehicle stable during use. Which of these electric car jacks is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.